Have you ever wondered how Germany, despite its tumultuous past, emerged as one of the world's leading economic powers? Let's journey back to the summer of 1945. Germany was a nation shattered by war, its once thriving cities reduced to rubble. The landscape was a panorama of devastation and poverty. Germany was a shell of its former self, its glory days seemingly buried under the ruins. The best minds of the nation were fleeing, seeking refuge in the United States or being whisked away to the Soviet Union. Its territories were severed, factories and plants dismantled, leaving behind a nation in ruins and straddled with enormous debts. It's hard to reconcile this image with the Germany we know today. Fast forward to the present, and we see a nation that is a world leader in automobile production, creating some of the highest quality cars known to man. Its pharmaceutical industry is at the forefront of medical breakthroughs that are saving lives around the globe. Known for its precision and efficiency, German engineering is a byword for quality, from the trains that crisscross its landscape to the meticulous design of its infrastructure. And let's not forget the world of fashion, where German brands command respect and admiration. Sports too, where the precision of German football has won them accolades and admiration. And who could overlook the beloved German beer, renowned for its purity and taste, and the roads that are a testament to German efficiency and planning. So, how did Germany, a nation that once lay in ruins, rise from the ashes of war and devastation to become the powerhouse it is today? How did it transform its narrative from one of destruction to one of creation, from loss to gain, from despair to hope? How did it manage to turn its fortunes around in such a dramatic fashion? These are the questions we will explore as we delve into the remarkable journey of Germany's rise. A journey that bears testament to the indomitable spirit of its people, their resilience, their ingenuity, and their relentless pursuit of excellence. So how did Germany rise from the ashes of war and devastation to become the powerhouse it is today? The transformation of Germany is often referred to as the economic miracle. But was it really a miracle? Let's dive into the post-World War II era to find out. In the wake of total devastation, Germany was not only physically in ruins, but its economy was also on the brink of collapse. However, the nation exhibited resilience and a will to bounce back. The path to recovery was paved with strategic economic policies and reforms, and one of the key architects behind this revival was Ludwig Erhard, the then Minister of Economy. Erhard emphasized the importance of a free market economy, believing that economic freedom would lead to political freedom. With this belief, he implemented the currency reform in June 1948, replacing the old inflated Reichsmark with the new Deutsche Mark. This move was instrumental in stabilizing the German economy and fostering trust in the nation's currency, which was a crucial step towards economic recovery. Next on Erhard's agenda were tax reductions. He believed that high taxes were a barrier to economic growth and prosperity. By reducing taxes, he aimed to stimulate investment and spur economic activity. This move led to a surge in consumer spending, which in turn stimulated production and helped to kickstart the economy. But Erhard didn't stop there. He also encouraged private enterprise, understanding that competition would drive innovation and efficiency. He lifted price controls and dismantled economic barriers, thereby creating an environment where businesses could thrive. This approach not only helped to restore economic stability, but also set the stage for Germany to become a global economic powerhouse. Erhard's policies and reforms, coupled with the hard work and resilience of the German people, laid the foundation for the so-called economic miracle. However, it's clear that this miracle wasn't the result of divine intervention or sheer luck. Rather, it was the product of strategic planning, deliberate action, and unyielding determination. As we can see, this miracle was not an accident, but a result of strategic planning and execution. But economic reforms alone do not make a country successful. Innovation plays a key role too. Germany's rise from the ashes of war to an economic powerhouse is a testament to this statement. It's not just about rebuilding what was lost, but about envisioning what could be. This is where Germany's focus on research and development and its commitment to producing high-quality, innovative products come into play. The Germans have a saying, "Where nicht vorwärts geht, der kommt zurück," which translates to, if you're not moving forward, you're moving backward. This philosophy is deeply ingrained in the German approach to innovation. They don't just innovate for the sake of it, but to solve real-world problems, improve efficiency, and enhance quality. A significant catalyst of this innovative spirit is the Fraunhofer Society. With over 70 institutes in Germany, the Fraunhofer Society is Europe's largest application-oriented research organization. Its mission? To drive innovative projects that benefit both industry and the wider society. It takes the seed of an idea, nurtures it with research and development, and then delivers it into the hands of businesses ready to grow it into a full-fledged product. Parallel to this, the Max Planck Institutes, with their focus on basic research in the natural sciences, life sciences, social sciences, and the humanities, ensure a steady stream of groundbreaking discoveries. These discoveries often form the basis for new products, processes, or methods, further fueling the engine of innovation. Innovation in Germany is not confined to just one sector. From automotive to pharmaceuticals, from renewable energy solutions to digital technologies, German companies are consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The result? Products and services that are respected and admired all over the world. Innovation, though, is not a solitary endeavor. It is a collective effort that involves businesses, researchers, and the government working together, each playing their part in creating an environment that fosters creativity and encourages risk-taking. Innovation, it seems, is deeply ingrained in the German DNA. A nation's success is also determined by the quality of its education. So, how does Germany fare in this aspect? Germany's education system is a force to be reckoned with. It's a well-oiled machine that combines traditional classroom learning with practical, hands-on experience. The secret sauce: a strong emphasis on vocational training and a unique dual education system. Let's unmask this dual education system. You see, German students, after finishing their compulsory education, have the option to enroll in a dual vocational training program. This program typically lasts for 2 to 3.5 years and is split into two parts. One part of the program involves theoretical learning at a vocational school, while the other part is all about gaining practical work experience directly in companies. This isn't just about acquiring skills for a specific job. The dual system prepares students for the world of work in general. They learn to adapt to the workplace, understand the importance of their role within the company, and get a taste of the real-world challenges that lie ahead. The benefits are twofold. Firstly, students graduate with a recognized qualification, ready to contribute to the workforce. Secondly, businesses benefit from a pool of highly skilled workers, tailored to their needs. It's a win-win situation. Germany's emphasis on vocational training doesn't stop there. In fact, the country is home to over 300 vocational schools, each specializing in different fields. Be it mechanical engineering, information technology, or healthcare, Germany's vocational schools cover a wide range of sectors. This ensures that the workforce is not only skilled, but also diverse. And so, Germany's education system, with its strong emphasis on vocational training and its dual education system, creates a skilled workforce that is ready to take on the world. This workforce is the backbone of Germany's economy, driving innovation, powering industries, and contributing to the country's success on the global stage. Clearly, education is a cornerstone of Germany's success. Germany's success is not just about economy and education, it's about people too. This statement rings truer than ever when we delve into the cultural diversity of this European powerhouse. A walk down any German city street is akin to a global tour, with a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions from around the world interwoven into the very fabric of German society. Germany is home to millions of people from different ethnic, religious, and cultural backgrounds. This diverse population contributes to the country's success in a multitude of ways. They bring a range of perspectives, ideas, and skills that foster innovation, creativity, and progress. They contribute to the vibrant cultural scenes, from music and arts to food and fashion. This cultural diversity is not just a feature of Germany, it's a key driver of its success. But diversity alone is not enough. It's the unity within this diversity, the social cohesion and collective effort, that truly propels Germany forward. The country has faced its share of challenges, from the ashes of war to economic instability. Yet, time and again, the German people have demonstrated their resilience and their ability to come together in times of crisis. A sense of community and shared responsibility is deeply ingrained in the German ethos. This collective spirit, coupled with a respect for individual rights and freedoms, forms the bedrock of German society. It's a delicate balance, but one that Germany has managed to strike with remarkable success. In the workplace, in neighborhoods, in schools, and in public spaces, Germans of all backgrounds work together, learn from each other, and help each other. They understand that their individual success is intricately tied to the success of the community, the success of Germany. This unity in diversity, this shared sense of purpose and collective effort is a powerful force. It's the secret ingredient in Germany's recipe for success. Indeed, Germany's success story is a testament to the power of unity and diversity.